and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just got word just a little bit ago that Robin is not going to make it to dinner. She's taking a rain check. So, plan B. Instead of the Midwestern meal that I was going to prepare, I'm going something very Asian, very Asian. I don't know if it's Chinese, Japanese, Korean. I'm just saying Asian. Spicy chili oil noodles with zucchini and carrots. Let's take a look. It's a wok day. Yes, it's a wok day. Dutch oven out for the rice noodles. Okay, we got some rice noodles. This is linguine style. Some kosher salt. Zucchini spirals. I picked up this morning. Actually, picked up a lot of this morning. Some julienne cut, also known as matchstick carrots. There's lots of garlic in this. Shallot, this whole shallot. We're actually going to be infusing the oil with this piece of the stick of cinnamon. Good. There's English cucumber. It calls for Persian. I can't get Persian here locally, so I go with the English. There's some bay leaves. And we're going to skip over to here. Szechuan peppercorns, which I just purchased a few days ago. Star anise. Red chili pepper flakes. And white sesame seeds. Ginger. Xiaoqing cooking wine. A couple tablespoons of oyster sauce. And a dash or two of sesame oil. There's green onions involved and some peanuts. And the garnish is cilantro. As I always say, cilantro is not just for Mexican food. It is very Asian, the whole Asian area, including India. So this is going to be tonight's dinner. I feel really bad for Robin because I had it last week. So hopefully tomorrow will be the Midwest, meatloaf and all that for tomorrow. So on this Sunday, plan B, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.